Hey, greetings. I was so proud of myself for making that last video an actual, real short video. I start every video by saying it's going to be short, but then I get caught up in the spirit of things because I love to teach. And next thing I know, 30 minutes has gone by, an hour. So I think I did that last one in under 5 minutes. This one, it's going to be even shorter. Let me just cut right to the chase. It's a copy of my Twitter page, our Twitter page. Are you a financial sales rep, or do you have experience in that field? We're now hiring. Do you have specific experience in financial sales? Specifically, I'm talking about trading products, Emini Futures, training, that type of thing. If so, you and I really need to talk. We're looking for an honest, reliable team player. We've been around since 2005. And our compensation package, well, I think it'll blow your socks off. So if you're ready to make 2020 your best year ever, then contact us today. Just send a resume or short bio to support@cfrn.net. I hire people before I hire paper, but send me some short note if you don't have a resume. Let me know about you and your experience. If you're the right fit, we can put you to work immediately. Obviously, because of the nature of the job and because of the compensation package. Uh, I'll be posting a position filled pretty soon. But if you're the right person, I'd really miss the opportunity to at least speak with you, help you understand who we are, what we do, and what it could mean to you, to your career, and to your financial future. So I did it. I made another short video. Thanks for watching. Please contact me if you're qualified, and I'll see you on the internet.